changed me from nobody to somebody, like this chalk powder to chalk piece. My name is Sudarshan. Can I brief you my story of becoming something from nothing? I was brought to Sangeetham, mentally retarded home at Tanjavur. See, they are my friends. Ordinary day-to-day activities, which are normal for many, are difficult for special children like me. We are taught to brush, to bathe, and even wash our clothes. This is our home, the home which changes us to human beings. We are taught to eat with clean habits. We eat healthy and tasty food to keep ourselves fit physically. We are taught to pray. Every Monday we have assembly where we sing, pray and hoist our national flag. We are given physiotherapy exercises. We learn to speak, to read, and to write. We also learn numbers. We play and enjoy.
A mentally retarded child may not have self-maintaining skills. We teach such skills when they join the school, from brushing, bathing and washing clothes to dressing and eating. The child learns here. We also teach vocational skills to them. After learning self-maintaining day-to-day life skills and vocational skills, when they go with their parents to their home, he is no longer a burden to the family.
We learn vocational skills to be self-reliant. Bleaching powder repacking.
I left my daughter, Priya, in Sangeetham in 1995. She started speaking normal after joining here. She has improved so much that others would not tell her that she is a mentally retarded child. I am very proud that Sangeetham has helped my daughter improve for better.
Apart from all that, we are also taught funnel making.
When many avoid such special children, they train up them, they take care of them and present them to the society as a normal being and put them in the mainstream. As a responsible social being, everyone should support their selfless service. It brings us great amount of joy to all of us who see this every day. I only wish that all who see this would get the same joy by giving us support for this noble cause. I sincerely wish this initiative may spread all over, which in turn would bring confidence and hope.
Some special designs are made in paper cover making.
When my son joined here, he did not know to bath, to brush and to dress. He did not know to say mom and dad. In 2 years, now he knows to take care of himself.
I am Mr. M. Subayan. My son is at Sangeetam for the past 6 months. When my son was at home, he did not know how to dress himself and live with self-dignity. But now, he dresses himself and looks good. He is much better now compared to before when he was at home.
We also do professional office file pad making.
I learned from some sources that there was a school called Sangeetam. I put my son here. They take care of him with responsibility. They teach him vocational skills. They take the children for exposure and tour. There is time for entertainment. My son is happy here. Before, my son was society sensitive, but now there is improvement in his behavior.
I get up in the morning, we pray, then we bathe, then wash our clothes, and then we go to class. In class, we learn many things. We learn how to make phenol. We learn a lot of things. Then we come back from class, we play, we pray to God.
Sangeetam means music. Everybody like music, nobody dislike it. We named our school music, that is Sangeetam, to note that nobody should dislike these special children. We have been running the school for the past 17 years. Our future plan is to take more of such special children who are deprived of this facility and train them to be normal individuals.
On all these occasions, I used to associate myself with these people because I used to go to them as a special guest and I used to observe. Suppose if some extra help in the form of financial assistance given, this Mr. Dorairaj and his colleagues will certainly accelerate the process of making these people a normal citizens in society.
From the finest granule to a chalk piece in chalk piece making. Mr. S. Dorairaj, the correspondent of Sangeetam School, is basically a bachelor in history and bachelor in education. He did his masters in social work and another masters in psychology. He did his senior diploma in special education. He is involved in social work for the past 23 years. From 1992, he runs the school successfully amidst many difficulties. Have you seen my story of how I become somebody from nobody? There are many such children who do not have this opportunity. Should they not undergo this experience? My school should grow bigger with a lot more facility. Is it not? I am sure you can help for this effort. Why don't you visit me once at Sangeetam home?